Miles is going in the tunnel. Ian, you gonna go in the tunnel? You going in the tunnel? Oh, look who's coming out of the tunnel. Look who's coming out.
A puppy.
Ian, you gonna go in?
Yellow.
There he goes. Hold on, Miles. Hey. Here he comes. Pull his pants off. You already did that. Hey, Ian, don't break the tunnel.
Oh no! What happened to the tunnel?
Ian broke it, but that's okay.
I broke it.
No, you broke the tunnel too.
The pot and the pot. You pick it, piece.
You want me to fix the tunnel after you broke it? Miles, don't push Ian. Let him get up on the couch. It's okay, he can get up on the couch. Are you fighting? No, don't fight. That's not good. That's bad. Oh, Miles. Miles, you're going to make it... No, Miles, get off him. You're going to make him sad. He doesn't like it. It hurts him. No, he likes this, though. He's happy. Okay. Miles, you got to let go of him. He's going to get sad. You got to get off of him, Miles. Get off of him. There he is.